Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get more surveys on YouGov. How do you get more surveys on YouGov? It's all about maximizing your profile and staying active. First, log into your account, head to your personal details, and set your survey frequency to the highest option available. This tells YouGov you're ready for more opportunities. Next, make sure your profile is fully completed. Include your demographics, interests, and lifestyle habits so YouGov can match you with the right surveys. Now, let's talk about engagement. Answer the daily questions regularly. This keeps your account active and shows reliability, which could lead to more survey invitations. Also, check the YouGov emails don't land in your spam folder so you never miss an invite. For extra chances, install the YouGov Save browser extension to share insights from platforms like Netflix or Amazon, or even link your streaming accounts. This not only earns bonus points, but also unlocks more personalized surveys. Stay active, stay visible, and you'll notice a steady increase in surveys coming your way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.